Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Remove the tool holding screws on the outside of the lights using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T20 Torx socket. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Remove the light bulb support port by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it in the right way round. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.